What's up, everybody? How you doing? This is Tuck Notes. My name's Tucker, and this is Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Thoughts Talk. It's not a stock show, but the last time I shared my thoughts about Tesla, I was really surprised at the amount of views I got. I couldn't believe it. I was expecting maybe 5 or 4, and I was just wowed. So that to me made me think that maybe some people are listening to what I have to say, even though I'm a beginner at this, and I continually say that all the time. So anybody that comes onto this channel knows that. But a lot of people that are watching this video are people that I grew up with. I've got a community of people of my town that I grew up in. People are supporting me by watching my videos, and that makes me feel more confident about sharing my information and not feeling, I don't know, scared or something. So we'll make this quick. I just finished watching a quick video from the person that I listened to. I can't give you the name, but anyways, he went straight into just kind of like, whoa, what went on today? Or like let's get an overview of some growth stocks, where they were in the past and where are they today. Okay, and I'm just gonna hit up just a few stocks that we're gonna talk about. So the first one, the biggest one, is Tesla, right? I said in a video, I don't know, a day or two ago, that Tesla could go to 610, and it did what I thought it would do, but it went like 610 was just kind of like the ballpark figure, but you know, it could be plus or minus, and it went to 585. And I saw that this morning, waking at 6:30. It was at 585. And then it's gone up to 620 and closed at 615. Tesla previously, before this huge drop, was $900 a share. So now it's $615. And I wouldn't be surprised to see Tesla drop between $600 and $615, like 607. Seems like it jumps like $20 or something every day, or I don't know. So now it's down to the price I told you at 615. We'll see if it goes lower. The next low is the one I told you guys about. If you watched the video, if you didn't, it's cool. It's 563. That was the lowest that Tesla got when we had our massive crash in April, right? Yeah, April. And so there's a spike in the 1 year mark, and you can see it. And then you look at today's graph, and you can see it's almost just the same, about $10, $20 more. That is an indication to me. I saw this 563 number for the last couple few months, and to me, it rang to me like it was like an indication that there's gonna be a crash. And what if it got down close to that number, 563? And so that was a reason why I made mistakes and then learned from my mistakes. I jumped into thinking that it was going to go right back up. Well, it kept going back down, Tesla. I'm not going to make this a whole Tesla topic as much as I love Tesla. But uh, you almost never know. You can kind of predict it, but it's a tough one because there's so many people involved in it. Now, the next big growth stock that you can make a good amount of money is on Teledoc. Teledoc is a health insurance, deals with health insurance or health, your health. I'll keep it at that. And it was $308 and it's $146 now. That's a big drop. That's a lot of money to come up with, That's 50% right there. The next one is Peloton, the exercising machine or programming thing, right? That was $177. It's $89 now for the price that you can buy. I sound like the guy on one of those infomercials. And that's pretty cool. I remember seeing it at $125 last year. And lastly, Palantir, $45. What? And it's $19. It was $16 this morning at 6:30. So there's your food for thought right now. A lot of stocks are like literally half off or 3 times off. It's all dependent. It's all relative. Everything's relative in my opinion, but not everything, but I don't know. Anyways, I want to think of, there's one more stock to check out right now. Shiba, I don't know what to do. Check you out. Have a good night. Have a good day. Maybe we'll talk later on Tuck Notes, YouTube, Instagram at TuckerMLO. I shouldn't have said what I said because I don't know what I'm saying, right? Or do I?